Have you ever pondered the remarkable potency of traditional herbal remedies? Today, we delve into one such herbal marvel known as Tongkat Ali, a gem from Southeast Asia, revered for centuries for its extensive health benefits. Our first stop is a benefit that has garnered Tongkat Ali a lion's share of its fame: the potential to naturally increase testosterone levels in men. Scientific research lends credence to this claim, demonstrating an improvement in testosterone levels, which can have far-reaching effects, from bolstering muscle strength and enhancing mood to revving up libido and overall energy levels. This herbal powerhouse fuels a man's vitality in more ways than one. Not only does Tongkat Ali have a reputation for boosting testosterone, but it also shines as a beacon of hope for improving sexual function. Traditionally used as an aphrodisiac, this herb has shown promise in enhancing sexual health and tackling erectile dysfunction. Some studies even suggest it can improve sperm motility and concentration, illuminating a path towards enhanced male fertility. Next up is the adaptogenic prowess of Tongkat Ali. As an adaptogen, this herb plays a crucial role in increasing energy levels and reducing fatigue. Athletes often turn to it to improve stamina and endurance, making it a trusted companion in the quest for peak physical performance. But the benefits of Tongkat Ali extend beyond physical health. Some research suggests that it can help reduce cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. This may improve your stress response and overall mood, acting as a stress relief agent in today's fast-paced world. Bone health, often overlooked, is another area where Tongkat Ali makes its mark. Evidence suggests that it can support bone health by improving testosterone levels, which in turn can help maintain bone density. It's a silent guardian in the fight against the fragility of our skeletal system. Finally, we arrive at the antimicrobial properties of Tongkat Ali. Studies have found that it may possess antimicrobial benefits, providing a line of defense against certain pathogens. It's an unsung hero in our body's constant battle against harmful invaders. To summarize, Tongkat Ali, with its testosterone-boosting abilities, potential to improve sexual function, adaptogenic properties, stress relief capabilities, support for bone health, and antimicrobial properties, stands as a testament to the power of traditional herbal remedies. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes the answers to our health concerns lie not in synthetic drugs, but in the wisdom of nature and our ancestors.